Wow! Ready na si Olivia for tomorrow's trip. Yan na yung susuotin mo, Liv, sa airport. Ayusin natin. Meron ng backpack. Meron pang sling bag.
Perfect.
Perfect! O, ka na. Let's go. Yay! Thank you po. Wow! Tapos na kami mag-check-in. Good girl si Olivia. Tapos nabigyan pa kami ng seat number 1. Wow! We got past immigration. Kakatapos lang namin kumain ng Tapa King. And ayan si Olivia, first time mag-vocalator. Wow! Bagay sa'yo, Liv. Color pink. Oh, yabang naman ang upo. Yay. Sobrang curious siya.
Sa exit notes, basahin po lamang ang passenger briefing card.
Tingnan niya. Gusto mo maging flight attendant, Liv? Paglaki? Gusto mo maging flight attendant? Or pilot? Pwede naman yun eh. Or traveler.
Hi everyone. The English captain new to speaking to you first.
Captain Carlos Miguel Cruz, assisted by First Officer Gerald Urbayan.
This aircraft is equipped with emergency exit signs found in the cabin. The location of the nearest exit may be behind you. Each cabin door is equipped with a slide raft. In any eventuality, guests must leave their bags and immediately proceed to the usable exits. There are also fire extinguishers in the cabin. Operation of the device is indicated on the equipment itself.
The safety protocols are meant to ensure compliance to the existing regulations and to provide security and pleasant experience in flight. Your safety and comfort are utmost priority. We wish everyone an enjoyable flight.
Thank you. Arigato gozaimasu.
Staying may switch on there and it will be right. Thank you. Seatbelt number 2. The forward doors will open. You may now plane once again. Thank you for flying with the President and enjoy your stay here in Hong Kong.
Come on! Come on! Tinitingnan niyo yung aeroplano. Okay ka pa? Hindi ka naman na-trauma kay Liv. Hi, ate. Ang lagkit na ng ano po. Marunong naman na siya.
Kaya gusto mo dalawa.
Dalawa. Yun parang hindi na ako bibili sa 7-Eleven. Cause...
Oo.
Sige, bumuy. Wow! Yay! Mga pagod. Nakatulog kayo.